In this video, I want to share with you how I lost my client's data worth 2 months and how you can avoid it. Do you know what clients value even more than their budgets? It's their data. So imagine losing 2 months worth of data. That is a nightmare, and I'm sure you can agree with me. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how I managed to overcome this nightmare using a simple tool that will allow you to migrate your website from one domain to the next domain with very little complexity. So as you're trying to move information from one domain to the next, things may not really match. And this is where all my trouble started. The website could not transfer, and also it was very, very slow. And also the other thing I forgot to mention was I forgot to think about the propagation time. So when you set up your domain, which is supposed to be on the new domain, the IP address is changed. Oh, and I almost forgot. When I was setting up the DNS, I forgot to take into account the time it takes for the domain name to propagate. And again, this delayed things, making it even a crazier nightmare. So recently I came across a tool called InstaWP Migrate. In fact, I want to show you how this works in a moment. So this tool allows you to move one domain name from a different hosting company onto the next. It doesn't even have to be hosted on InstaWP Live. Now, before I show you how to use this tool, just bear in mind that if you have a massive website, of course it's going to take longer time to migrate the website. So just bear that in mind as you're migrating your websites. The first thing you want to do is to head over to app.instawp.io/migrate. So as you can see here, it's asking me for my source URL and then my destination URL. So what you need to do on the destination URL is to install a blank install of WordPress. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to come over here. Now this is a newly logged in account. So I'm going to go ahead and create my first instance. Now, as you can see here, this is my trial. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next step, and I'm going to leave everything very basic here. I'm going to go ahead and create the site. So as you can see, my demo site has been created. So what you want to do is to copy this URL right here. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight it. I'm going to copy it. And then we're going to come over here to our migrate tool. Now this is the destination site. This is where I want to move my site from a different company onto this one. Now let's head over to the website I need to move from. So this is the one. I'm going to copy the URL like that. So I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to paste the URL. And all I have to do now is to connect this website. So now you can see here, it's asking me for permission. So all I have to do is to approve this connection. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And what's happening now is InstaWP is installing the plugin onto my source website. Now I also have to do the same thing over here. I need to go ahead and click on connect. So we're going to click on connect. So as you can see, we have our plugins now connected. So all I have to do now is to click on start migration. So it's asking here, do you want to continue? And I'm going to go ahead and say start migration. And just like that, we're able now to move our website from one hosting company to the next without any problems. Now, the good news is your website is going to remain online while this migration is happening, saving you a lot of downtime. Now, here are some massive numbers. With this tool, you're able to migrate your website 2 times, 3 times, and sometimes even 10 times faster because you don't need to go in and do any technical things. Everything just works. Also, you have 99% uptime. Your website is not going to go offline while you're transferring your website, making it really amazing for all your customers. And also, you can save up to $15,000 annually just through working efficiently with InstaWP Migrate. So go ahead and try this tool. It's absolutely free. I'll leave the link to that in the video description below. So as you can see, InstaWP and InstaWP Migrate are really amazing platforms which allow you to work efficiently and also be even more productive, saving you a lot of money and in return giving you happy customers. Anyway guys, if you like this tutorial, please leave me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in another tutorial. Take care.